Hello, welcome to Graceful Embroidery. Today I'm going to show you how to download the daily freebies for the 13th birthday event. So that's this September 2020. So you need to go to the Graceful Embroidery website. Don't go to the group forum. The designs are not there. They're here in your account at Graceful Embroidery. So the first thing you need to do is to log in. When you've logged in, this was what will appear. You'll see this page here with the Home tab, the Forum tab, the Freebies tab, and then here it will show you your level of membership. If this tab doesn't show up when you log in, or the Freebies tab, then you know your account has not been given members privileges. Then you click on Freebies, and you'll see this heading, the daily freebies for 2020, and this is the video from last year. Now we have to scroll down all the way down here, and then we start seeing the freebies. The first one is right at the bottom, so there each day when you go, the new design will be sitting at the top. Now the most important thing to do is not add it to your cart, because you're not going to buy this freebie. I'm giving it to you as a member. So you click on the name of the freebie, and this is today's. This is Sunday the 20th of September, and this is design number 14 of Cassandra's whitework. Don't put it in your cart. Scroll down and you see this tab here. You can review the designs here, but this is the important tab here, downloads. So you click on that and you see this zip file come up, and all the formats are in here, every available format. So you click download and it will ask you whether to, I'm using Firefox, so I get this choice between opening WinZip or saving it as a file, but I'm going to open it as WinZip so we can see all the designs in here, and I'm going to open it. Now there are no PDFs for the sizes of the designs and their stitch counts. That will be prepared after all the designs have been given to you as freebies, and when I first release, close that box, I don't need this, I want to see in here. Once these are released for sale to non-members, then I shall prepare a PDF, and I usually let everybody know in the group forum when that is available so that you can download it and have the details of each of these designs. Now we have two art formats, DST, EXP. You always get a BMC image file that comes along with the DST and EXP, I believe that is, and then Husk, Jeff, PES, VIP, VP3, VP4 and X, and then you suddenly see they all start again down here. But the difference, if you look, is that they all have an S underneath at the end of the file name, and this means that they have outline alignment stitches. Those are, if you want to find out more about those, then I suggest you search online within Graceful Embroidery. So we have checkboxes down here. Now you may have several machines. You may have a Janome and you may have a Brother. So you can click both of those, and if you want the outline alignment stitches, then you can click those as well. And then you can unzip them. Unzip to, you click on this, and then you'll get a box where you can select where you want to save them on your computer. So that is how you download the daily freebies each day. I hope that explains it all to you. If you do encounter problems, the first thing I would say to you is, what website browser are you looking at these designs with? My website has problems with Google Chrome. Firefox, it works very well. I do not suggest you use Internet Explorer, which is ancient and has loads of problems. I tend to use Firefox for Graceful Embroidery, but the group forum works better on Google Chrome. I'm sorry about this, but it seems that in today's world, one browser is not enough, and I use the two, finding out how websites work best with each of them. So if you're having problems, it could be your website browser. And the other thing to consider is that sometimes you need to clear your browser history. Your computer remembers all the websites it's been to, and with the complexity of today's website, that browser history can get quite large. I mean, I clear mine once a week. So if you don't know how to do it, then search online how to clear my web browser and put in the name of the browser that you have. The other thing, some members have said that when they've tried to download these designs, they get a page full of gobbledygook. In that case, I would say, I'm not quite sure what this happens, but my advice to you is to clear your browser history and come back a few hours later. It could be that everything is just so busy on the website. That's probably a cop-out, and that's probably not the reason for it, but clear your browser history and come back at a later date. And if all else fails, do remember that when the event is over, I'm happy to send you all the freebies in the preferred format that you choose. So I need a little email, just say at the end of the event, please send all the designs to me in JEF format or VP4 format, whatever format your machine reads, and I will do that happily for you towards the end of October. Remember, the last download freebie will be available on Monday, October the 12th. I will leave all the freebies in place for a week after that, and so that gives everybody as much opportunity as is realistic to download them. I think I've covered all eventualities here, and I hope that helps. I hope you're enjoying the freebie that we are downloading at the moment, which are part of Graceful Embroidery's 13th birthday event. It's very exciting. I've thoroughly enjoyed sharing this time with you. One other thing, while you're here, always under the browser here, there is a link. Usually it just says click to find all the news. Here it says find all the news, including details about the birthday event. When you first go to Graceful Embroidery, it helps to click on this. This is my page that I update each week and put my news on. I sometimes list my latest blogs and videos. So always check this out, and if you've got a question, check on the FAQs page too. This deals with many common questions that I've been asked over the years. Remember, I'm in the UK, and so I'm not always around. If you are in America and you're on the website in the evening and you email me, I won't get that till the morning. So do remember, at weekends and later on in the day, you've just got to be aware of the time difference. There are lots of questions down here. Look at these and see if you can find the answer to your questions before you email me, especially during a birthday event and grand sale, when I get lots and lots of questions. One final tip before I go: if you scroll in the morning, when you go to collect your freebies, if you want to know whether I've put up today's freebie, scroll down and look to see when the website was last updated, and you can see that this one has been updated. I change this date every morning after I've put up that day's daily freebie. So thank you for being a part of the birthday event, and I hope this has made it all a little bit clearer to everybody. And I do apologise if I haven't covered your issue. Send me an email, and please wait for a reply. Give me at least 24 to 36 hours before you send me another email, because I don't always Sometimes I'm answering an email and I think, have I answered this question already? So please give me some time. Continue to enjoy the birthday event, and as I say to all my members, happy hoopings. Bye for now.